Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing usable source material and organizing it so the montage pipeline runs predictably. Begin ingesting 30 to 60-second clips with consistent lighting and clean audio. This reduces model confusion later. Once done, set project resolution to 16, 9 or 9, 16, and pick a frame rate between 24 and 60 FPS to match your delivery platform. Make sure files are named and separated into RAW, selects, and assets folders so automated steps can locate inputs without manual fixes. You now assemble a rough timeline and apply the ML-driven transformations that define the montage. Start by placing selects on a timeline and marking beats for cuts. This guides automated trimming and motion emphasis. Next, run a lightweight model for style transfer or motion smoothing in batches so processing stays fast. Use presets for speed and tweak parameters where artifacts appear. Once configured, preview several full-quality key segments to confirm timing and aesthetic. Then iterate until the look and flow match your intent. You finish by rendering a draft and performing a final pass to catch issues before export. Render using your target codec and bitrate, then inspect color consistency and audio sync across scene changes. Small timing tweaks often fix perceived jitter. Apply one master LUT, sharpening, and audio normalization to unify the montage. If you see ML artifacts or ghosting, reduce model strength or reprocess only the problematic clips rather than the whole timeline. This single troubleshooting step saves time and preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.